Integrating intrusion detection systems, IDS, as crucial to ensuring the security and protection of computer networks. With the increasing number of cyber threats, organizations need to be proactive in detecting and preventing unauthorized access and malicious activities. This part of the course provides a detailed step-by-step guide on integrating IDS into your network infrastructure effectively. Understanding intrusion detection systems. Definition and purpose of IDS. A brief overview of what IDS is and its main purpose. Types of IDS. Discuss different types of IDS, such as network-based and host-based IDS, and explain their functionality. Choosing the right IDS solution. Evaluate your security needs. Assess your organization's security requirements and identify which features align with your goals. Research available IDS solutions. Explore different IDS solutions available in the market and compare their features, scalability, and compatibility with your infrastructure. Planning secure integration. Assess network architecture. Understand your network structure, including subnets, firewalls, routers, and switches, to determine the best location for IDS deployment. Define IDS placement. Identify the optimal locations for placing IDS sensors, considering network traffic, critical assets, and potential attack vectors. Consider compatibility. Ensure the selected IDS solution is compatible with your existing security infrastructure, such as firewalls and incident response systems. Integrating IDS into the network. When deploying network-based IDS, you deal with installing IDS sensors. Step-by-step instructions on physically installing IDS sensors, including connecting them to the network switch or SPAN port. Configuring IDS sensors. Walk through the process of configuring IDS sensors, including IP addressing, sensor modes, and network monitoring policies. Fine-tuning IDS rules. Customize IDS rules to fit your organization's specific needs, including signature-based and anomaly-based detection. Testing and verifying. Perform tests to ensure proper IDS functionality and verify the detection of known security incidents. When deploying host-based IDS, you will deal with the following aspects. Determine host coverage. Identify critical hosts that require monitoring and deploy host-based IDS agents. Installing IDS agents. Detailed instructions on installing host-based IDS agents on each identified host. Configuring IDS agents. Configure the IDS agents to communicate with the central IDS management system and define the monitoring policies. Monitoring alerts. Establish procedures to monitor and respond to alerts generated by host-based IDS agents. Integrating IDS with security information and event management (SIEM) systems involves establishing communication. Configure IDS and SIEM systems to exchange information, including event logs and alerts. Correlating events. Define rules and correlation policies to detect patterns and link IDS events with other security events. Reporting and analysis. Utilize SIEM systems to generate detailed reports and perform in-depth analysis of IDS data for incident response and forensic investigations. Continuous monitoring and maintenance. Regular system updates. Ensure IDS software and signature databases are up to date to detect the latest threats. Monitoring IDS alerts. Implement a proactive process to monitor IDS alerts and respond promptly to potential security incidents. Periodic system assessment. Conduct regular system assessment to identify any changes in network infrastructure and adjust IDS placement and configurations accordingly. Some best practices and tips for effective IDS integration include: implement defense in depth. Combine IDS with other security controls, such as firewalls, intrusion prevention systems, IPS, and data loss prevention, DLP. User education. Educate network users on security best practices to reduce the likelihood of successful attacks. Incident response planning. Develop and document an incident response plan that clearly defines roles, responsibilities, and procedures for handling security incidents. In conclusion, integrating intrusion detection systems is a critical undertaking to safeguard network infrastructure from potential security breaches. By following this comprehensive tutorial, organizations can successfully integrate ID solutions to enhance their security posture and timely respond to emerging threats.